Today, we're going to talk about how to solve word problems. What? Word problems in math? What? Yes. But those word problems are going to be they're pretty all right. It's not going to be a big deal. You're going to be all right. We're going to start with the City Flower Shop. Sold 14,594 pink roses for Valentine's Day. It's nice, isn't it? So we're going to start making what they call a tape diagram. Now maybe you've heard of it, maybe you haven't. A tape diagram is a square. And in that square, you write what we're talking about. So pink roses. And up here, we're going to make one of those crazy looking things. We're going to put 14,594. Now, I apologize for looking back so much, but the whole point of math is to make sure that you are accurate. And if that's what it takes for me to be accurate, that's what I'm going to do. 14,594 pink roses. They sold 7,857 more red roses than pink roses. So we need to take our pink roses and red. How many pink and red roses did the City Flower Shop sell all together on Valentine's Day? So we know that they sold 14,594 pink roses. And then it told us that they sold 14,594 red roses too. But on top of that, they sold 7,857 more. We don't know the total. We want to find what pink and red together. So we know they sold 14,594 pink roses. And they sold 7,857 red roses. Now, how many total roses, pink and red, did they sell? We're going to take, lining up our place values, so now we're doing what we did yesterday. And that is called the standard algorithm. Standard meaning that's usually how we would do it. It's the typical way. It's standard. When you are asked to add something, that's the one you go to, the standard algorithm. And the standard algorithm, you line up your place values. 14,594 and 7. Oh, forgot a comma. Calm down. I added it. It's fine. I made a mistake. I'm sorry. 7,857. So my ones are lined up, my tens are lined up, my hundreds are lined up, my thousands are lined up, and I have my 10,000s lined up. It wants how many roses all together, combined, pink and red. So when we are asking for all together, we're adding. Starting in the ones place. Why? Because you should. That's what you do. 4 plus 7 is, that's right, 11. We put the 1 down here, the 1 up in the next place value. 1, 1, that's 11. We have 9 plus 5 is 14, plus that 1 is 15. Put the 5 down here and the 1 up here. 5 plus 8 is 13, plus 1 is 14. Put the 4 down here, the 1 up here. 7 plus 4 is 11, plus 1 is 12. Put the 2 down there, 1 up here. 1 plus nothing is 1, plus 1 is 2. Don't forget your comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. So how many roses did they sell? They sold 22,451 roses. Let's do another one. I don't want to. It's okay. We're going to do one anyway. Problem number 2. On Saturday, 32,736 more bus tickets were sold than on Sunday. On Sunday, 17,295 tickets were sold. So we better draw our tape diagram. This is going to be Sunday. On Sunday, 17,295 tickets were sold. On Saturday, there was 32,736. And it wants us to find how many people bought bus tickets over the whole weekend. So it doesn't just want Saturday, it wants Saturday and Sunday combined. So on Sunday, there were 17,295. And it wants to know how many were sold over the whole weekend, Saturday and Sunday combined. When we combine, it's asking for 32,736 plus 17,295. It wants us to combine those, so we're going to be adding. We're going to start in the ones. Why? Because that's where you should start. 6 plus 5 equals 11. 1 down here, 1 up here. 9 plus 3 equals 12. Plus 1 is 13. 3 down here, 1 up here. 7 plus 2 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. The 0 down here, the 1 up here. Uh-oh, this looks familiar. 2 plus 7. It's like saying 7 plus 2. 2 plus 7 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. The 0 down there, the 1 up here. 3 plus 1 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Don't forget your comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. So how many bus tickets were sold over the entire weekend? 50,031 tickets. Let's do an equation together that has 3 of them. That's going to be awesome. Last year, Big Bill's department store sold many pairs of footwear. 118,214 pairs of boots were sold. 37,092 pairs of sandals were sold. And 124,417 pairs of sneakers were sold. How many pairs of footwear were sold last year? So we are going to look at how many boots were sold. Then we're going to add on how many sandals were sold. Then we're going to add to that how many sneakers were sold. And we are going to answer how many pairs of footwear, boots, sandals, and sneakers combined. All right, let's do it. Now space these out. 118,214 pairs of boots. 37,092 pairs of sandals. And since we are spacing these out, let's stop, add these two, then add again. Starting in the ones place. Why? Because that's what you do. 4 plus 2 is 6. Well, that's not so bad so far. 9 plus 1 is 10. 0 down there, and 1 up here. 1 and 0, that's 10. 2 plus nothing is 2. Plus 1 is 3. 8 plus 7 is 15. 5 down here. The 1 up here. 3 plus 1 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. 1 plus nothing is 1. Don't forget your comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. So that is just boots plus sandals. What are we missing? That's right, sneakers. So we're going to take our total number here. I was going to try to get fancy, but I won't. We're going to take our total number so far. 155,306. That is boots and sandals. Now, we're going to add sneakers to it. 124,417. Starting in the ones place. Why? Because that's what you do. 6 plus 7 is 13. Put the 3 down here. 1 up here. 0 plus 1 is 1. Plus 1 is 2. 4 plus 3 is 7. 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 plus 2 is 7. And 1 plus 1 is 2. Don't forget your comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. So total pairs of footwear, 279,723. All right. So even when there's a whole bunch of numbers, you can still do it if you take it one place value at a time. Start with the ones. Add those two. If you need to regroup, go to the next place value with it. Add those. Just take one bite at a time. Each place value. You'll be all right.